Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of No Winter Forest. Today let's continue our Leetcode challenge. Today's challenge is called the power of 2. Let's look up the description. Given a integer, write a function to determine if it is a power of 2. So this is a typical math problem. So if we are known this number is the power of 2, then this number suppose can divide by 2 except 1. So because any number of 0 powered, it will be 1. So 2 of 0 powered also is 1. And so other number all could divide by 2. We could use this way to solve, but we also have another alternative way. We could use a binary manipulated. So let's see, if you have 2 the power of 0, it will be 1. So if it is 1, and if we give b by 1, so 1 it is the power of 2, it is 0. How we know it? Because if we use n minus 1, so it from 1 flip to 0. Did you look at the pattern? If it is 2, in binary represent is 1, 0. But if we use n minus 1, in binary represent actually just flip, become 0, 1. And in 4 is 1, 0, 0. In the binary represented is 2 over power of 2. So n minus 1 it becomes 0, 1, 1. So the binary bit just flipped. So we just use this pattern and use a binary manipulator to achieve it. The code is very simple. So we just write one line, only need one line of the code. So basically, we definitely need n is positive number. Second thing is this pattern I just showed you on here. So if it's n and this beta and n minus 1 is equal to 0, because and this is just a flip. So n and n minus 1, suppose it is 0, it means they are binary. Make sure my code is correct. N and this one, So this we are do the trick. So let's submit it. I believe this is going to pass. Then we use a math way to solve it. Just multiply by 2. Let's run the code first. Make sure it's pass syntax. Don't have a syntax issue. It is fine, just submit it. So this is the number way you could solve it. And you can accept it. And we could use another way. So use the math way. So if a number is power of 2, which means we can divide that number always by 2 until the number reduces to 1. And also every time number is even except 1. And let's give an example. So in here, if we have some example n equal to a, n is even, then divided by 2. N divided by 2 and it is 4. Then n divided by 2, again it is 2. And divided by 2 again, and it is 1. So this is the math way to achieve. So we just write a loop to return this one. So first, make sure it's positive the number. If it is negative number, we return false. Otherwise, just follow this one. So we're going to do while loop. And the n must be all the number can divide by 2. And also we loop until n equal to 1. So we're going to while loop until finish. When this loop is finished, because 1 cannot model 2, until you loop 1 cannot model 2. And for this a, we after end is 1. So 1 is 1 equal to 1, then the loop finish. Loop finish, we're going to return if n equal to 1. So this is also a way to achieve. Let's submit it again. Yeah, it also accepted. And we use another way to change it. So you see here is a looping way. We could write a recursive. So basically we just need one line of the code could achieve this one. We're going to return. First, we need to make sure n is greater than 0. And then n equal to 1 is one certain condition. Otherwise, or another, you need to do, otherwise to do this one, n model. So model 2 equal to 0. But this is one we're going to recursive, so we're going to use another and. This one. The next n is n divided 2. So this is supposed to also exactly the same. So you can exclude it. So when you need this finish, n must greater than 0, and the n must equal n. If the n being given is equal to 1, just return. Otherwise, you just n can or n model 2 equal to 0. And if it is model 2 also equal to 0, and you continue call itself until you finish this one, then also it is. And just let's submit it. In the end, you actually going to hear this loop. It make sure it go back to n. So when you continue, the n will be upgraded, and in this time n will be equal to 1. Then you will return it out. So that is 3 ways. Oh, by the way, there also have another way you could achieve also. And another way it is a copy previous one. Let's see if you have another pattern. Actually, if you look at the binary, this previous are copy. The first way I used. Did you see if the 1 it is power of 2 of 0? So did you see the bit only have 1? In here 2, 4, 8. So the bit count actually only have 1. So we could use the bit count, use Java built-in integer bit count. That's another simple way. I believe this way we are faster than the math looping. Normally the Java native implement suppose is fast. Yeah, this is a very simple way. If you could see the pattern, did you see all of the number? If it is a power of 2, number 1 they need a big positive integer. Number 2, then their bit count only have 1, and you use this Java built-in native function. It suppose is optimized, suppose more fast. Let's submit it again. Yeah, it also pass. Thank you for watching. Bye.